Tristan, you say, welcome to Tristan's Toytown.
Welcome to Tristan's Toytown.
And what are we doing today?
We're playing Crush Over.
Yeah, Crush Over. All right, Mommy, what are we
guys, doing? So today we are going to play Monster Truck Crush. So we saw a video from Goo Goo Colors and zzCam, and they had the dad doing it, but we thought, why should the parents have all the fun? We want the kids to do it. We want them to crush everything with their monster truck. Right, kids?
Right.
All right. Are we going to crush them with these big tires?
Yeah.
Wow, those are some huge tires.
Triston and Landon have a monster truck where they're going to run over everything. So what do you choose, Tristan?
Popcorn.
You choose.
I choose popcorn, popcorn, popcorn.
Popcorn, popcorn, popcorn!
I like popcorn. I do popcorn. Like a popcorn is my favorite.
Pop secrets.
Popcorn. We're gonna run over some popcorn. And what do you choose, Landon?
Some bread.
He's got some old bread that we need to get rid of, so you're gonna run over it.
Woohoo! All right. And then, Mommy, what did you choose?
I choose applesauce. We're gonna run over some applesauce.
All right. Let's get started.
Daddy,
I don't want to eat them. I want to eat them.
you want to eat some popcorn before you run over it all?
And I choose water balloons. Woohoo! Okay.
Well, the kids, everybody's eating the popcorn.
Popcorn's good, Mama. You sure you want to run this over?
Yes, we're gonna run over the
All
popcorn.
right, you ready?
So, with their big monster truck,
All right, boys, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, wow. Did we crush it? Back up and hit it again. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't crush. Tristan, you want to try it at full speed? Okay, back up.
okay, guys, are you ready to run over the popcorn? Up first, round one with the popcorn.
All right, full speed.
Full speed ahead. Let's try it. Let's see what happens when you roll over a bag of popcorn with your monster truck.
Go.
Go.
I did it.
In 3, 2, 1. Wow! You guys see that? The popcorn went everywhere! And you're gonna run over it again? It destroyed that bag of popcorn.
Oh, man. How was
Okay.
the popcorn, Tristan? Did it smash?
Did it smash as much as you needed it to smash?
Okay, you ready for round two? All right.
3. Mama chose applesauce.
Okay, Tristan, you ready for round 3, the applesauce? Let's see if
Round
Mama's choice is
3,
gonna smash.
guys. Smashing applesauce. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, I think you missed, Tristan. Hit it again.
We gotta hit it.
You missed.
You
One
missed.
more time.
We gotta go again. Just smashing everything.
Smashing everything. Hit that one more time. 3, 2, 1. Monster truck destruction.
My back feels.
Applesauce didn't stand a chance.
All right. Now there's one last thing to try. Tristan, are you ready for this? All right, I'm going.
Daddy chose
Wonderful.
water balloon.
All right. Now this is going to be the best one, I think.
Water balloon smashing.
Okay, hold up. Let me go get some more.
That'd be a long one, Mama.
Okay, Mama. What we have now is these water balloons to smash. Do you think you can hit these water balloons?
Yes.
Let's give it a shot. 3, 2, 1, go! Wrong way.
You got one more left, Tristan.
You ready? Hit the last 2. Say, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Landon, thumbs up. Something like that. Yeah.